You're my true love. I love you so much.
My wife and I won a couples contest organized by a magazine, and since then we've been getting some kind of attention.
And he gave the angels in charge the assignment to teach you the secrets of a happy marriage.
The secret of a successful home really lies in the home. Why are you stepping away from me?
Daddy, you beat mommy up and gave her that injury on her head.
What?
Yes.
I will destroy you just the way you planned on destroying me.
We forged on because the love that we shared was stronger and bigger than our troubles.
No! 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 Don't give them your consent for them to destroy us.
A sister that deranged joy in seeing her other sister's son suffer.
I came back to take what rightfully belongs to me, and I can only have it back by inflicting pains on her. I will not be alive and watch that happen.
Till death do us part. Be ready for that death to do us apart. Papa